Good afternoon. Welcome to UK Skytours. This is the first in a series of tutorial videos to get you started with the virtual airline. Okay, so after you've registered on the site, the first thing you need to do is obviously log in, and you'll be presented with the main screen like this. What you do, you go into Docs and Resources, go into Downloads, and download the ACARS client like so. Click on that and it will start downloading to your PC. When you have downloaded that file, you can extract that to any folder of your choice. And then what you do, you start the ACARS up, and this is what you'll get if you're lucky. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go back to the website. Before you start this, go back to the website, go into your profile, and you will need the API key. So when you register on the site, you'll be assigned an API key. It's covered at the moment. I won't release the I because you'll see my API key. But to see your API key, just press on the I button, and that will come with a some letters and numbers. Copy that onto right click and copy, and then when you start up the ACARS, you'll be presented with a screen like this. All you do, you go down to the bottom and go into settings. Now these are very, very important. Okay, so let's go from the top. So this is your profile. There are other virtual airlines that use PHP VMS. I've got two currently in there, but this is the UK Skytours one, and you can load profiles and delete profiles up here. The airline configuration, this is really, really important. Please make sure that you type in https crew.ukskytours.co.uk, exactly like it's printed there. And the API key, which you copied before, you paste that into your profile like that, and that is it. You can choose dark mode or light mode. You can check beta versions. I would suggest you click on that. Show Discord status updates and automatically check for scenery settings. I just turn that off for now. So before you start the ACARS or do any flights, the first thing you've got to do is select your active flight simulator. So you can have X-Plane, P3D, Flight Sim 9, Flight Sim, FSX, and Flight Simulator. Just leave this on a native scan, and then what you do is you resync the scenery. If you've never done it before, you won't have anything here. Press the resync scenery, and that will go through your scenery library and populate ACARS. If you don't do this, you will get an error when you try and log your flight. The current version we've got is 1.2.0.2449. After you've done all these settings here, you press save on the ACARS program, and that is it. That is the thing. The two most important things that people do miss is the URL, getting the URL wrong, and the API key. Just make sure that that is currently, it says there to look in your profile for that. So that completes the tutorial for the ACARS system. Further tutorials will include how to book a flight and to use the ACARS, but that is it for now. Have a nice afternoon.